Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. Today I am going to show you how to prepare very healthy, very tasty and very easy veg cutlet. Please watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get updates of all my latest videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Now for preparing vegetable cutlet, I have taken here one cooker. For cooker, now I am adding green peas. Green peas I have soaked it previous day night only. And I have taken a few vegetables. Today I am using 1 carrot, 5 potatoes and 1 beetroot. This vegetables also I am going to transfer to cooker. Now I am transferring carrot, beetroot and then potato. Based on the quantity, how much you are preparing, you can use the vegetables. And if you like more carrot, you can add more carrot also. Like that you can change the quantity of vegetables also. Now I am adding 1 pinch of sugar so that color of the vegetables doesn't change. Little salt for taste. Now I am going to add water. Don't add more water, how much it is required, add that much water only, so that we will get the good consistency for preparing cutlet, or else it will become soft. Now I will pressure cook it for 2 whistles. After pressure cooking, I will show you. You can see here, I have taken here rusk which is available in bakeries. Now I am going to make powder from this rusk. I will tell you why I am going to use this. Now I am going to break this and I am going to make powder. Why I am breaking it like this? Because it will grind easily. I will tell you if rusk is not available, what we can use instead of rusk. So keep watching. Now I will make powder of this rusk. Now you can see I have done powder of rusk like this. I am transferring it to separate plate. Later I will use this. Now I am preparing another paste. For that I have taken 5 green chilies, few pieces of ginger and few garlic. I am adding little salt and I am going to make a fine paste. Now you can see paste of ginger, garlic and green chili is ready. Now I will take it to separate bowl. Now for preparing pudina chutney, I have taken a few fresh pudina, coriander, 4 green chilies, as per spicy you can take, and little small piece of ginger, a few garlic, little fried grams. This will give the consistency for pudina chutney, and then little jeera, little pepper, salt for taste and fresh lime juice. Now I am going to grind this and make the fine paste. Now you can see pudina chutney is also ready. You can store it in airtight container and you can use it whenever you need. And then here you can see after pressure cooking vegetables for 2 whistles, it looks like this. Now I am going to take it to separate bowl. We don't need water of this. So that I am going to take it to separate bowl and I am going to smash this. See, like this I am smashing. You can use smasher also. Now for preparing cutlet, I have taken pan and I am adding little oil. I am adding little jeera. Now I am adding one chopped onion. Little salt, as we have used salt for cooking vegetables also. Check the salt and then add it. Now I am adding little turmeric powder. Now I am adding the paste which we prepared by using green chilies, ginger and garlic. If you are using red chili powder, you can use 1 or 2 green chilies. Otherwise, you can use green chilies as per spicy you require. We have to fry this until the raw smell of ginger garlic goes. Now I am adding garam masala powder. Amchur powder. Chaat masala. I will mix this once. If you want red chili powder, you can add it at this stage. I am adding little red chili powder. Once the masala is ready, now I am going to add smashed potato. Now I am smashing beetroot and carrot along with that green peas. Potato will smash very easily. Beetroot and carrot, it will take little pressure to get smashed. Now I have added smashed beetroot, carrot and green peas also. Now I am going to mix it. After mixing, fry it very slightly for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I am adding fresh chopped coriander. Now for masala for cutlet is ready. I'll switch off the stove and I will show you how to prepare cutlet. Now by using this stuffing, I am going to prepare cutlet, so that I am taking little prepared masala. Like this I am going to do balls. In whichever shape you want, you can do it. Like this, if you do it's plain round shape. If you have molds, that also you can use. Today I don't have molds, so I am making it by using hand only. Today I am making it in heart shape. Like this. Now I am going to dip this in rusk powder. If you want, you can use breadcrumbs also, or else you can use rava also. Like this on both the sides we need to dip. Once again make the shape so that you get proper shape. I'll prepare it like this and I'll keep it in one plate. Like this, do one round and here press it like this. Press it like this and then you can do here one small V so that you will get art shape. After doing, dip it in breadcrumbs on both the sides. Once again ensure that the shape is properly given. Now like this I will do. Here I have transferred the prepared cutlets to tawa. Today I am shallow frying these cutlets. I am adding little oil. As we have used lot of vegetables, it's very healthy and we are not using much oil. We are using oil in very less quantity. So it's a very healthy snack recipe. You can give it for kids also. On both the sides I am going to shallow fry this. And shapes you can do whichever shape you want. And if you are a beginner, you can do it simple round shape. It's very easy. As we have coated it with rusk, we will get a crispy texture. You can see. And oil also, how much you want you can add. Now the cutlets are cooked. Now I'll take it to separate plate. I'm going to transfer it to separate plate. Now you can see I'm doing it in simple round shape. Slightly dip your hands or grease your hands with oil so that it won't stick. And as I said, instead of rusk powder, you can use breadcrumbs or rava also. See, like this. Now here you can see I'm shallow frying round shaped cutlets. And here if your stuffing or your cutlet masala is left, you can prepare vegetable bonda also, or else you can prepare vegetable parota also. Until it changes to little crispy texture, shallow fry it on both the sides so that you will get good taste of outer layer. Outer layer will be crispy as we have used rice powder, and inside it will be soft. Now round shape cutlets are also ready. I will switch off the stove. Now here I am arranging both round shape and arc shape cutlets on serving plate. Now cutlets are ready to serve. Now you can see healthy and tasty vegetable cutlet is ready, along with pudina chutney and tomato sauce. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get updates of all my latest videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.